Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier TWS200 Plus wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your earbuds are not pairing with Bluetooth or they're not connecting to your phone or your other device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can set these up as a brand new set of earbuds. It's really quite an easy thing to do. All we need to do is place the earbuds inside the case, and with the earbuds inside the case, we're just going to press and hold this pairing button for 10 seconds until the white light flashes rapidly. Once the white light flashes rapidly, we can go ahead and release it. It will automatically enter pairing mode, and we can go ahead and set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds.